What is N.J.S.A. 2C 11.5 Vehicular Homicide in New Jersey? A vehicular homicide charge under New Jersey Statute 2C 11.5 represents one of the most serious criminal charges someone can face after a fatal crash. This law applies to both motor vehicles and watercraft, making it possible to face vehicular homicide charges from either a car accident or boating incident. The prosecution must prove three essential elements: that you operated a vehicle or vessel, that you acted recklessly, and that your reckless conduct caused another person's death. Recklessness under New Jersey law means consciously disregarding a substantial and unjustifiable risk that your conduct will result in death. This standard requires more than simple negligence and demands proof that the driver was aware of the risk but chose to disregard it anyway. New Jersey law allows prosecutors to infer recklessness from specific behaviors like driving while intoxicated, falling asleep at the wheel, or using a handheld phone while driving. These inferences include driving after being awake for more than 24 consecutive hours, failing to maintain your lane, or operating under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Vehicular homicide is typically classified as a second-degree crime, carrying 5 to 10 years in state prison and fines up to $150,000. However, the charge escalates to first degree when the defendant was driving under the influence in a school zone or school crossing area. First-degree vehicular homicide carries 10 to 20 years in prison and fines up to $200,000, making the stakes significantly higher. The No Early Release Act applies to both first and second-degree convictions, requiring defendants to serve at least 85% of their sentence before parole eligibility. This means a 10-year sentence requires serving at least 8.5 years, while a 15-year sentence demands at least 12 years and 9 months behind bars. Beyond prison time, convictions can result in massive fines, lengthy license suspensions, mandatory parole supervision, and potentially consecutive sentences in multi-fatality cases. Defense strategies often focus on challenging the recklessness element, questioning causation, or disputing whether the prosecution can prove all required elements beyond reasonable doubt. Contact Lustberg Law Offices, LLC, at 201-880-5311, located at 1 University Plaza Drive, #212, Hackensack, New Jersey 07601, to discuss your vehicular homicide case immediately.